before. I was a member of the minority then. Si Senator Nene Pimentel pa ang aming minority floor leader. Siyempre, lahat yung mga leftovers ng majority binibigay sa minority. Ganun talaga.
Kung minority gap, paano mo di-describe? Hindi naman magiging obstructionist.
No. We will cooperate. We will cooperate with the majority.
Na lumantad din sa hearing. Sen, lumantad din po sa hearing sa House na may convo po si Vice Fernandez with a certain Beng Ramos.
Okay.
Yung convo po is about meron sa kukunin ng pera. For the record, meron po ba kayong staff?
I do not have any staff named Beng Ramos since I entered the Senate. Okay? That's for sure. Siya, she's a staff of the Blue Ribbon Committee. Beng Ramos. Staff siya sa Blue Ribbon Committee. She was never my staff in my office. And I never authorized her at kahit sino man. Ginamit niya siguro. I don't know what her intention was. You can check my records in the Senate. Since 2004, when I first entered the Senate, up to the present, wala akong Beng Ramos na empleyado. She's not close to me. Wait. Oh, I must admit, naging girlfriend siya ng isang staff ko. Tapos.
Sir, sino BRT chair?
Blue Ribbon?
Nagpila siya sa...
Nagpila sa Blue Ribbon.
Yes! Yes! Oo. Gusto ko nga, i-recommend ako ng tanggalin siya rito eh.
Possible na siyang may transaction. Nakausap niya na siya.
No.
Wala kayong plano, sir, na kausapin siya?
Ba't ko siya kakausapin?
Pero hindi pwede report sa Senate leader.
Siguro I will write a letter to SP Soto. Did she claim that she's my staff? Did she claim that she was my staff? Si Bryce. O, kita mo sinungaling ang hayop na yan. Saan ang proof niya na staff ko yung Beng Ramos? Nuno ng kasinungaling yung hayop na yan.
Pero sir, itong si Bryce, kakilala mo na siya ever?
I never met that guy. Hindi ko kilala yan. I never met him. Si Henry Alcantara, according to him, he was the deputy engineer